Alright, so today I'm changing the power steering gear on the Jeep. It's a pretty big pain in the ass, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Do what? Yeah, the first thing I did was obviously take that bolt off of the pitman arm. It's just a lock ring and a bolt. It's an inch and 5/16. And there's a castle nut right there that we just took the cotter pin out of. I'm going to take that off. Try to get this pitman arm off, but if not, I bought one as a replacement. So this is an inch and 5/16. It's pretty easy to come off. And then you can use a puller on this to take this off, which we're going to try, but everybody struggles with this, so you know, I'm just going to probably replace it with a new one if it's too hard.
There we go. Nice.
So this thing does not want to come off. I'm not even going to put that in the video because it's just a waste of time for y'all to watch. This is a bitch. I think everybody should have seen probably on a forum or something that this is a pain in the ass. So anyways, what we're going to do is set this part on the jack and lower it slowly so that we can get access to these lines up here. And then we're going to disconnect those, and then I'll show you how to disconnect this, and then you're in business. It's good to have a helper. I know a lot of people in the comments on a couple videos I've watched say that you're a bitch for having someone help you, but this motherfucker's heavy and you don't want to bend those lines. So if you can get a second set of hands, grab them.
You can put that jack up under if you want to.
I don't know if I've got enough on this jack.
Oh dang. Mine's just the same too. You got a piece of 2x4 or something? Exactly. Redneck ingenuity.
Jesus.
You need your jack to be taller, just take 2 bits and one piece of plywood.
Hell yeah.
That'll do. A little bit to the left, yeah.
That should keep it from falling.
Keep it from falling.
So 1, 2, 3, set it on a jack, just second set of hands to keep it from falling, and then you'll be able to get to those lines up there. You can always, I got a winch on the front, so you can always take that plastic plate off and reach them, but this is easy. You want to bring it down some? Should be good. Yeah, see your lines are rubber right here, just be careful. But yeah, that's it.
Just hold it, and you can try and pry on it.
Okay. Just watch my face. You're gonna slip off.
That's like a 3/8.
Yeah.
It's a half.
Alright, so this is pretty straightforward. Just loosen this up. And it should come right off. I can get this to stay in my hands.
What we could do, Tay.
This one's gotta come loose, which is a bitch, just so you know. And we're gonna try this one now. You ready?
Watch your thumb.
Anyways, yeah, I mean, ideally you'll try to get the fluid out of there, out of the power steering pump beforehand, but we're just kind of in a hurry here, so we're just gonna let it drain out and then we'll fill it up and get the air out of the line.
As long as you got a drain pan, you'll be alright.
Yeah, just make sure you got one of those. Should just pop right out, and then obviously don't have your mouth open underneath it.
There's some rubber gaskets. Check to make sure they're not cracked or anything, or else you're going to be leaking steering fluid.
We're just about to pop that off right there. Yeah, so it came off. We just unscrewed the screw all the way, and it just fell right off. So we tried to get a screwdriver in between that crack there, but just unscrew it and it should come off. Obviously just reverse everything that you've already done. Put this back on first, and then you can put your lines back on, and then crank those down, and then put it back up. Then you got those back in, and boom, you're in business.
Nice!
Just gotta get this all connected back up.
Put some grease.
Scotty came up with the anti-seize idea because
Just help corrosion from water and dirt build up.
yeah, it's a pain in the ass. I'm gonna grab another cotter pin off the back.
Alright.
Oh shit, those are on the boat.
Your cotter pins are?
Yeah.
Oh, we can get this one until we get to the boat, and then we can put it on.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna need you to turn the wheel a little to the left. A little bit more, just a touch. Right there, baby.
This took us about an hour max. And actually it took us longer to go get the part than it took
Exactly.
I just suggest go ahead and plan to buy a new one of these.
Unless you just want to fight with the old one, then sure.
Yeah.
Take some aggression out on it, that's a good idea. Other than that, yeah.
$40 at Advance.
Nice!
I mean, that's about the same as the other one was, right?
Yeah, exactly.
We got a remanufactured version of this, which also I recommend, and
It'll save you about $600-700.
Yeah, so all around not too bad. And hopefully should get rid of that popping noise. That's the whole reason why we're doing this.
Yeah. She looks good.
All right, so we're filling the power steering pump up to the top, and then I'm gonna turn it on. We'll go left to right, left to right.
All the way.
Mine takes ATF4 because it's 2002 or newer. Double check that, but I'm pretty sure 2000, anything newer than 2002, which mine's an 03, takes ATF4.